I'm going to share my little secrets, what my grandmother taught me and made me to drink before kindergarten and school, and what is good for. I will get back to it, but I will make that butterfly pea tea. No? Yes, butterfly flower pea tea. Is it? Maybe. No? Okay, wait. Butterfly pea flower tea. And it's good for the memory. Is it? I don't know. But anyway, what I'm going to do, I will boil some water in my Amsterdam cup, and I love that place. I have been there last year. But anyway, I'm going to cheat a little bit because I don't have a kettle and it will make some noise. So will you see in 30 minutes? No, 1.30 minutes, something like that. So the water is ready. I will make a bigger cup than usual because, as you can see, I was hard remembering the butterfly pea flower. But anyway, you can use the butterfly pea flower dried, or you can use the concentrated version, what I'm doing. And come here, look at it. It's so blue. That's what it makes so pretty. And yeah, so one half tablespoon, but I'm going to make a whole one because I want my memory to be really good. But anyway, so I put this, and look how beautiful. Look, so good. And because the flavor is a little bit unique, I will use some milk and make as a latte. So let's see. It's good, but it's really hot. So it needs some time to rest. But it tastes good.